Stay. Stay. What is this? Welcome back to Sawyer's Farm. I'm Jacob. Today it's a special video. We actually finally got our baby kids from the goats. They had them all. All of them are good and healthy, but we got a lot of the footage of them actually giving birth. We have 4 nannies. One of them, she had her kids, and then the next day pretty much seemed like everyone else had them. They were like minutes apart. But we're just gonna roll that footage right now to show you the day of, because we're kind of shooting this part afterwards. So we're gonna roll that footage right now and show you actually what happened that day. All right, guys, so we're here. Like we said before, we are having goats right now. This is our other nanny. She's kind of part milk goat, but she's had 2 right now, and I don't know if she's gonna have another one. Last year she had 2, so we're just keeping an eye on her. But it's been crazy right now. We'll keep running back and forth because another goat, we're gonna go over there, is having babies. They are literally just minutes apart. It was crazy. We saw her, we came out here, and then Alex heard the other one over there, so we just been running back and forth. We got one other nanny that looks like she's gonna have them too. It may be just within 30 minutes. We don't know, but she's kind of giving a little bit of signs. But it's crazy just how we're kind of running around here trying to see the goats and everything. But we got Moses out here because I want him to be around kind of the births and just let him know, like, hey, there's new animals here on the farm. There's new little baby goats, so he doesn't think they're, you know, not part of his herd. So we're just letting him be around them. We're trying to keep our distance so we don't stress them out, and the moms do pretty good at keeping him away. So that's why we got him out, just to be around the goats and everything. But let's go over to the other one and see how she's doing.
Come on, Mama.
All right, so we're up here at the other one. She's a little bit more on kind of the topper of the hill, but she's had 2 so far. Last year, she had 3. Looks like she may be able to have 3, so that's what I'm kind of expecting, but we don't know right now. It's been a little bit. She's cleaning them off, and all these mothers are doing really well. They're pretty much as soon as they hit the ground, they're cleaning them off, and they're trying to nurse. So we're just sitting here kind of watching them, seeing what's going on, but I'm hoping this one's got 1 more. She did last year, so we'll just have to see, but it seems like everything's going well right now. We're still kind of waiting on that other doe to have hers. All right, so this is the other goat that hasn't given birth yet. I think she's gonna have it today. I'm not sure. She kind of was going away from everyone, but she kind of still kind of comes back a little bit. I seen her pawing the ground a little, and she just kind of looks like she's gonna have it, but we want you to put it down in the comments. Do you think that she's gonna have it today? Because we don't know. We're gonna be watching, but we can't sit out here all day, but we're gonna throughout the day be watching, and just kind of wanted to see if y'all think she's gonna have it today. All right, y'all, so as you can see, that day was pretty, I wouldn't say hectic, but it was definitely pretty exciting because they were just having them almost back to back. I believe it was we call her a dairy goat.
Just roll with it.
So like I said, our dairy goat, we call her a dairy goat because she's half Kiko, half dairy, so we just call her dairy goat. Her and the, you can't really see her, but she's up there. It's the black and kind of white one. They were having them like, it was just like boom, boom. We're like running back and forth trying to see what was going on. And we had Moses up there trying to get him used to the animals, the new animals that are going to be here on the farm. So the other nanny that I asked if you all thought it was going to have its kids that day, it did. It did have them. I think it was probably maybe 2 hours after that she actually had them. So we had 3 nannies give birth within about 2 hours of each other. The other 2 were just minutes. And so we're really happy. Everyone, they cleaned them all off. They were nursing. I mean, all of them, they're all looking good, as you can tell. They're running around. And we got some little kind of stuff they can get under. And one thing we're really happy about is we're supposed to be getting some bad weather coming here soon. Really cold, really windy. And we were really afraid that they were going to have them during that time, because for some reason goats like to have kids in bad weather. Don't know what it is, but we're really happy that they came here sooner. It was decent weather. They got them all cleaned off and everything, so that's a little bit of relief off our shoulders, not having to deal with that type of environment of the babies coming in. But we're just really excited. We had 8 kids. It's 5 girls and 3 boys. It's pretty much the same that we got last year. I think it was kind of about the same. One of them had 3 last year. She had triplets. This time she only had 2 of them. So all of our nannies had 2 kids, and they've all survived, and they've all been really good mothers right now. That's one thing we really like about the Kikos. So guys, that's probably going to wrap up today's video. We just kind of wanted to take you along this just the new kids of the year. We're very excited, and stay tuned for future videos. We'll give you updates on how these guys are doing. Like I said, they look very healthy, and we're very happy to have all these in their coloring. That's one thing we're really excited, is just the coloring they have. They just look beautiful, and we really like the way that the kids came out. But if y'all like this video, please hit that like button. You got questions about the goats and stuff, leave down in the comments. We'll try our best to answer questions. We're not experts by any means, but at least if we can help somebody, we'll try to do that as much as we can. Share this video if you think it'll help anybody, and subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed, because we put videos out we think a lot of people may like. And if you like this type of video, look back at our old ones and subscribe to the channel so you can see our future videos that we got coming up. We got some pretty cool videos we got planned for y'all here coming soon. But guys, as always, take care and God bless.